Does your team have a hard time staying organized? Do tasks sometimes fall through the cracks? Are you looking for a solution that's simple to use, yet powerful enough to handle the complexities of your projects? If the answer is yes, then let me introduce you to Taiga, an open-source project management tool designed with teams like yours in mind. Taiga is 100% open source. This means that you're not just getting a tool, but also the freedom to customize it to fit your team's unique requirements. No licensing fees, no hidden costs. Just a robust platform to help you and your team stay on track. Whether you prefer Kanban or Scrum, Taiga has you covered. Its boards are not only intuitive and simple to use, but also packed with features that streamline your workflow. From dragging and dropping tasks to customizing columns, you'll find everything you need to keep your team aligned. Dealing with bugs or customer issues? Taiga includes integrated trouble ticketing and bug tracking. Say goodbye to scattered information and hello to a centralized, easy-to-use system that keeps everyone on the same page. Keeping track of progress has never been easier. With Taiga's complete set of dashboards and reporting tools, you'll have a clear overview of your team's activities and deliverables. Spot bottlenecks early, celebrate completed tasks, and ensure your project stays on course. What if your needs evolve over time? No problem. Start simple and add functionality as your team grows. Taiga scales with you, offering advanced features without overwhelming your workflow. So, are you ready to take your project management to the next level? Join us as we explore Taiga in this video series. In the next episode, we'll dive deeper into the Kanban board and show you how to get started. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. And remember, with Taiga, project management doesn't have to be complicated. Check out Taiga today at taiga.io and see the difference it can make for your team. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.